Can Sony TV screen mirror? Yes, Sony Smart TV supports screen mirroring, allowing users to share content from smartphones, tablets, and computers wirelessly. Most Sony Bravia, Android TV, and Google TV models include built-in Mirrorcast, Chromecast, and Apple AirPlay features, which enable seamless screen mirroring. However, the method depends on the device you are using, and older Sony TVs may require third-party devices. 1. Screen mirroring with Android devices. Mirrorcast. Most Sony Bravia TVs support MirrorCast, which allows Android devices to mirror their screens wirelessly. To use this feature, Step 1. Press the Input or Source button on the remote. Step 2. Select Screen Mirroring from the list of available inputs. Step 3. On your Android device, open Settings, then Connected Devices, then Cast, or Smart View on Samsung devices. Step 4. Select your Sony TV from the list of available devices. Step 5. Your phone's screen will now be mirrored on the TV. 2. Screen mirroring with iPhone or iPad AirPlay. Sony TVs released in 2019 or later support Apple AirPlay, allowing iPhone and iPad users to mirror their screens. Step 1. Ensure both your Sony TV and iPhone or iPad are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Press the Home button on the Sony TV remote. Step 3. Navigate to Settings, then Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, and turn AirPlay on. Step 4. Open the Control Center on your iPhone and tap Screen Mirroring. Step 5. Select your Sony TV from the list. Your screen will now be displayed on the TV. 3. Screen mirroring with Windows or Mac. For Windows PCs, Step 1. Go to Settings, then Display, then connect to a wireless display. Step 2. Select your Sony TV from the available devices. Step 3. The PC screen will now be mirrored on the TV. For MacBooks, Step 1. Click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar. Step 2. Select your Sony TV from the list of AirPlay devices. Step 3. Your Mac screen will be mirrored on the TV. 4. Alternative ways to screen mirror on Sony TV. If your Sony TV does not support built-in screen mirroring, try these alternatives. Use a Chromecast device, which allows screen mirroring from Android, Windows, and iOS devices. Connect a laptop via HDMI for a wired mirroring option. Use third-party apps like AirScreen Mirroring 360 or a Power Mirror from the Google Play Store. Use a Fire Stick or Roku, which supports screen mirroring from mobile devices. Sony Smart TV supports screen mirroring through Mirrorcast, Chromecast, and AirPlay, making it easy to share content from different devices. If your TV does not support screen mirroring natively, using external devices, HDMI connections, or third-party apps can provide a reliable solution.